Hi guys, so today we are making a flavorful and aromatic dish, Ajwain Chicken Tikka. This Indian-inspired dish features tender chicken marinated with a blend of spices, yogurt and the unique flavor of ajwain, which is also known as carom seeds. The result is a juicy and flavorful chicken that's perfect for grilling or pan frying. So now let's begin. So first take 350 grams chicken breast cut in cube, add some salt to taste, add half teaspoon lemon juice, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 tablespoon yogurt, 1 teaspoon ajwain seeds, also known as carom seeds. Then give it a nice mix and marinate it for about 1 hour. So the chicken is marinated nicely now. Then add 1 stock cube, add 1 bell pepper cut in cubes, add 1 onion cut in cube, then give it a nice mix. Then rest it for like 10 minutes. Then take a baking tray and simply place a silver foil paper on top and drizzle some oil on the bottom and nicely brush it. Then take a stainless steel skewer and then simply thread it on the skewer. First thread the onion, then the marinated chicken piece, then thread the bell pepper, then the onion piece, and then simply repeat the process again. Make sure it is nice and intact. Make sure not to leave a gap in between. Make sure to do the same to all the skewers. So all the skewers are ready now. Then simply drizzle some oil on top. Then simply bake it at 200 degrees centigrade for about 20 minutes until nice and golden brown. So the chicken tikka is ready. Then simply brush it with melted butter. It will give a nice flavor and also give a nice glaze to the chicken. And there you have it guys, a delicious and flavorful Ajwain Chicken Tikka. Be sure to let me know in the comment below how you enjoyed this recipe. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more delicious recipes to come. I hope you enjoyed this recipe for Ajwain Chicken Tikka as much as I enjoyed making it for you. It's a truly flavorful dish that's perfect for any occasion. I hope you'll try this recipe at home and enjoy it with your friends and family. So thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.